Hello, so we just see how to download LTSPICE. So we type LTSPICE, click enter, and here is the website, the first link. We click, and it takes us to the website of analog devices. So you see all the information about LTSPICE, and there is a download option, download LTSPICE. So there are three versions here: download for Windows 10 64-bit and forward. There is a version 17.1.6. There is a download for Mac OS, and there is a download for Windows, but here it says end of support. So it's basically we will try to download the first version because there is a no mention that it has no support. So the remaining bottom two is also mentioned end of support. So let's try to select the first one, download for Windows 10 64-bit and forward. We click here. It takes you to the folder where you want to store this file. So I choose the download of my computer, and here is the file name LTSPICE 64. It's the installation package. You can choose any other folder you want. I click save, and the procedure to download has started. You can close the window, and here in the left bottom you can click this file and it starts opening. It says, welcome to the LTSPICE setup wizard. You click next. Now there is a software license agreement. You click I accept the terms in the license agreement. Click next. And here is asking the installation type. So you can say that only for me or everybody. So you just click next. And it then ask you to select the installation folder. So by default, I let the folder what it is shown. I click next, and now I click install, and it starts the installing LTSPICE. This shows the status. We have to wait while the setup wizard install LTSPICE, and this may take several minutes. So you need now see and wait till the installation is complete. It is extracting the files to be installed on your personal computer. And that's it. It says it has completed the LTSPICE. So you can select this option, launch LTSPICE, and click finish. And the LTSPICE 17.1 version has been successfully installed. So you click OK, and it opens the LTSPICE on your computer. So that's all. This is the procedure to download and install LTSPICE from the Analog Devices website, the manufacturer of semiconductor devices, and who offers the LTSPICE for the designers.